Perfect. And we are ready to rock and roll, ladies and gentlemen. I'm good. What up? What up? Where's Gene? There's Gene. Hola, Mr. Gene. What up? What up? What up? All right, let's get Trade of 8 pulled up. See if we can catch something for Asia, fool. See if we can catch something on gold.
Gold,
Yes, sir.
guy.
I am gold for Asia. Why? It's been moving pretty good, if you ask me. That's why you do micros. That's why you do micros. I guess. Real quick, everybody on TikTok and YouTube, if you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated as always. Again, I live trade on here for completely free. All you guys got to do is your part. One, by joining, following, and hitting the like button. All three of those would be greatly appreciated. But let's see what we can find today. See if anything pops up. If not, we don't take trade. Stick around for like an hour and a half, 2 hours. See if anything good presents itself. Like I said, we see something, we take it. Also, I have to let everybody on Instagram know that we are live for Asia. Brandon trades. Bet. Yep, I got gold pulled up. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. I live trade every single morning for New York. Live trade periodically throughout the week for Asia, typically Tuesday and Thursday. And periodically for Power Hour as well. But you guys at least get me every single day from New York. So if you guys can trade in the morning, tap in. Caught a 20-point trade today on ES on the live stream. Caught it start to finish. How we doing on Zoom, everybody? Everybody doing good? Vibing? What's up, Richard? I can't see your screen, Gene. On Discord. It says that you're live, but I don't see it. I just see you with no shirt on.
What?
That's what it's showing. I'm being serious. You guys see it? You guys see Gene with no shirt? Exactly, see? Got you. Like I said, all you gotta do is join. Join every day. Follow. Hit the likes and join. You're black? Good for you. I'm white. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Full port shorts. How about no? Gina's, I'll give him caramel. Caramel. That's what Gina is.
Let's see.
Tired. I kind of want caffeine, but I feel like if I get caffeine, I'm not going to be able to sleep. I do want to say everybody on TikTok too. If you guys want a full view of my screen, head on over to my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. You can see full screen there. Over here on TikTok, it's kind of cropped and everything, but if you want the full screen view as well as my order flow and book map, head on over to the YouTube Brandon Trades. 125,000 subscribers, 1,500 videos teach you on how to trade for completely free. So again, that Brandon Trades. Just me and Gene that talk during Asia. And then we wait patiently for trades. Sit here and wait. If you guys have any questions, though, feel free to ask. While we're chilling, any questions at all, feel free to ask while we wait for a setup. Typically, the first 20-30 minutes is pretty boring. So that would be the time to ask questions if you have them. Sold too early on the ES trade. Come on now. Sorry. Yeah, I'm chilling. Chilling. I see it. Do the same strategies apply to Asia than to New York? I mean, we don't really hit key levels during Asia. I mean, if we did, obviously, you know, I would watch it, but it's not common that we do. I'd say for Asia, it's more so like intraday moving average trades. Is what I would say. Looking for longs or shorts, whatever the market offers. And then Asia, I mean, I've done pretty good. I think I've only had like 1 or 2 red days doing Asia in however many months. Like, I don't know, 3-4 months. So it's a lot of patience with Asia. Turn Gene down. But yeah. It's kind of hit or miss with Asia, but we'll see. What other questions you guys got? While we're chilling and waiting. Again, if you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Make sure to hit the like button. I live trade every single day for completely free here on YouTube as well as TikTok. All you guys got to do, follow, like, join. Those 3 things. That's all I ask of you. Caught a 20-point trade today on ES live. All done live. Guarantee not all 50 of you on TikTok are following. It's gold, yeah. I gotta figure out how to like set up my computer differently because it's not really like I gotta figure out this screen. It's a pain in the ass. Who's calling me? Now we stay patient and we wait. some kind of setup. Right now, we don't have anything. Not near any key levels, so we're going to have to wait for intraday price action to give us something. HeadQ seems to be a little more active. What you watching on this fine evening, Gene?
I'm gonna get myself situated first.
Well, what's going on?
So, listen.
I'd say for Asia, metals are typically better. So like gold and silver typically move better and have cleaner price action. Just what I've noticed.
Probably just gonna wait for like the first 15 minutes or so.
Again, I'm going to keep reminding you guys, make sure to hit that like button, hit that follow button. We got 70 of you here in the YouTube and only 19 likes. So less than a third of you have hit that like button so far. Then let's see. TikTok, you guys could do better. What's up, Noah? Like I said, Asia is a little slower, so let's just stay patient and see if the market presents anything. I'll give it like an hour and a half, 2 hours, and then, yeah, if we don't get anything by then, I'll call it quits. Just call it 5 points, fire. Gold's holding that view up. Five-minute time frame. You guys can't even see the screen on TikTok. You didn't say anything. There you go. Got the NASDAQ futures pulled up, and I'm watching gold on my other screen as well. Nice little move on NQ right now. Appreciate the follow, Corey. Appreciate the follow. NASDAQ is what we have pulled up. I think we should get the music going today. Let's see. Let's see. That volume good? Looks like it. Yeah? Too loud? Let's see. It's good? Alright, bet. Gotta bump the old Logic. That's how you know we're gonna catch banger. How you know we finna catch a banger? What do you mean no sound detected? There we go. Made 1170 with the trade. Fire. Let's do it again today. Or tonight, I should say. But yeah, definitely New York. We do have Trump speaking sometime today, so like I wouldn't be surprised if Asia is choppy. But you know, just wait and see. Patience. How you guys doing on Zoom? Everybody chilling? Gucci. See if we can catch something. I was saying that Trump speaks today, so I mean Asia could be boring. Yup. I won't be here at 7, that's for sure. I'll be long gone by then. Let's get you funded tomorrow. 500 away. Let's see if we can do it. See if we can do it. And again, if you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that like button, hit that follow button if you're new. I live trade every single day, every single morning for New York, periodically throughout the week for Asia. And everybody on TikTok, if you want to see a full screen view instead of the little crop picture that you got right here, head on over to YouTube and type in Brandon Trades. I'm live over there as well. 125,000 subscribers and 1,500 videos teaching you guys on how to trade for free. So again, tap into the YouTube Brandon Trades. Am I still trading options? Not really. Like obviously, you know, if I see something on an individual stock, then I have to trade options, but not too much, mainly futures. Or if I'm swing trading, obviously options as well. Nah, I prefer futures over SPY options all day. Gold ain't giving shit right now. Gotta join the futures gang. What's up, Don? Patiently waiting. Tell you what, if I saw the market going down soon, I'd make $1 million off of it going down. I ain't doing anything. I don't have any key levels either, so just gotta stay patient and wait. I'm gonna restart the TikTok real quick. I forgot to do the disclaimer, and I think they clapped me. So rejoin here in a second. Hold on. YouTube, we're gonna stay live. YouTube is better than TikTok. Oh wait, that's why. And because I didn't do the disclaimer. All right, so quick disclaimer. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Futures trading is very risky where you can lose more than your initial investment. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I'm not held responsible for any losses. Today is February 24th at 4:23 p.m. in Denver, Colorado. And again, none of this is financial advice. There we go. All right. Now let's catch a fucking banger. Full port your shit. Full port it all. Psych. I do want to say though, if you guys are looking to get Apex accounts, 90% off lasts for like 4 more hours. So if you guys need them, now's the time. 90% off. 50K accounts are only $20. Apex. Use code Brandon. All caps. Bounce off that VWAP on NQ. See what Gene's doing. What's up, buddy? Patiently waiting. You're in NQ longs? Fire. And bounce right off that VWAP. Yeah. If you thought that I bought my followers on TikTok, you're actually brain dead. I literally stopped using TikTok probably for like 2 or 3 years. So that's why my engagement died completely. But YouTube, 125,000 subscribers, all legit. I've never bought a single follower in my life. Never, ever. Nor do I need to. I literally just post education. If people follow, cool. If not, oh well. Where'd you go?
Hello? Yeah,
What's up?
Logic? Yeah, this is Logic.
What up?
Hi, Logic. How you doing? This is Marty Randolph, big-time, big-wig record executive, super white guy aficionado, and I just wanted to talk.
You said you're wearing a mask?
All right, man. Well, I mean, what
For what?
exactly? Basically, what we want to do is we want to take Logic. We want to take everything about you.
Okay.
We want to take it and we want to put it on a bigger level. How does that sound? I mean,
Let's see it.
Sounds great, man. What do you...
Honestly, I think it'll get that high a day. That was a really good entry. What you took? I like it. Yeah. If you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that follow button, hit that like button, it'd be greatly appreciated. Helps a lot with the algo here on YouTube as well as TikTok. How's Denver? Is it worth checking out to move there? Absolutely. Denver's the best place in the world. Best state in the US, I should say. I don't know about the whole world. Haven't traveled yet. But best state in my opinion. But yeah, make sure you guys follow, double tap the screen. It'd be greatly appreciated. What you watching, Don? Or are you just here to vibe with me? Yeah, Gene got a really good entry on that. Fire. How much more do you need? Yeah, it's gonna get that high day. Nice trade, Mr. Gene. That's good for Asia, bro. What are you looking for, a high day?
Yeah, just about.
Sure. I'm sure I could do you a favor and get you there.
What?
Just market order. Yep. Take out all this liquidity right here and get you in the high day.
I'm just waiting for it. What?
3, 10, 5, probably about like 40 contracts. 30, 40 contracts. Or what I can do is market sell like 200 and stop you out. I like to see like a break and retest of that opening range. Either. Do I do this full time? Yes, sir. Gene, I'm gonna miss you. We haven't had our Thursday office dates. CVD is cumulative volume delta. So pretty much buy minus sell. Or sell minus buy, vice versa. Again, like I said, Asia's kind of hit or miss. It's kind of hit or miss. So, like I said, I usually hop on for like the first hour and a half, 2 hours. If I see something, then obviously I'll take it. If not, I sit on my hands and I wait. So, some days it moves amazing. Some days it's really slow. Can't fucking talk. Again, if you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that like button, hit that follow button. Everybody in the TikTok, everybody in the YouTube, take 2 seconds, hit that like button, hit that follow button. We greatly appreciate it. Subscribe as well if you haven't subscribed on YouTube. I'd say Asia's like a lot of intraday setups. I'd say I more so heavily rely on moving averages and VWAP for Asia compared to New York. I'm more heavily relying on, fibs, supply and demand, opening range breakouts, and retest. So yeah, that's kind of the difference in the setups. And how do I use CVD in my strategy? So like today was a really good example. If you saw my Instagram post, when we broke below that pre-market low, I just didn't have the CVD up at that time. I should have. But when we broke below that pre-market low on ES, the CVD was actually grinding higher. Again, CVD is measuring buy minus sell. So if there's more buy, we're going to trend up on the CVD. If there's more sell, we're going to trend down. If we're trading below pre-market low, and a typical setup that people like to look for is a break and retest of pre-market lows to go short, you should be seeing that CVD going down if you're trying to short. But the fact that the CVD was trending higher very aggressively, that is telling you, one, don't take the fucking trade, and two, it's probably going to reverse and go higher. So that's what CVD does. Or like if we're going up into a supply zone and we start seeing CVD downtrending very aggressively, that's telling us that sellers are coming in towards that point. Does that make sense? And again, as far as points, I mean, Asia, I'm a little more aggressive on taking my first trim and just moving my stop to break even, because it can very quickly reverse if you're not smart. You guys got questions in the Zoom? I'm just chilling on the TikTok and YouTube right now. I don't know if you guys just want to hear me keep talking in the Zoom, or I can stay muted. It's really up to you. Really up to you. I can talk? Alright, bet. Bet. We don't even have any supply. You're good. No supply. We got NQ pulled up right now. Again, if you guys could, take 2 seconds, hit that like button, hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Like I said, live trade every single day. I've been trading for 8 years. More than 99% of people here on this app. So if you guys are looking for a place to actually learn how to trade properly and somebody who has experience, it is right here. So take 2 seconds, find that follow button. I think it's at like the top right. Click it. Everybody on YouTube, find that subscribe button, click it, and join every single morning for New York, twice a week for Asia, periodically throughout the week for Power Hour. But yeah, point is follow, subscribe. If you don't, I don't know what to tell you. Everybody on TikTok, if you guys want a full screen view, you can see my entire monitor. Head on over to the tube. I think another thing is I can't say you before, so head on over to the tube and type in Brandon Trades. I'll pop right up. 125,000 subscribers, 1,500 videos, and I live stream over there as well. So again, the tube is Brandon Trades. Yeah, 9 p.m. EST, so 7 o'clock our time. And Gene just caught that trade. Damn, Gene. Big baller over here. What's up? I think if we could pull back into this moving average, I'd consider longs on NQ, the ADMA, because we have a nice little squeeze. You just like to join and listen to me, Don? A young Morgan Freeman. I'll take it. I'm the white Morgan Freeman. I trade stocks and futures. I'll take it. Yeah, let's watch this ADMA at like 20. See if we can come down. I should not hit it.
Never die, we multiplied and dominate. Now I've influenced since an adolescent up into the present. Rehearsing flows for various shows, yeah, that's how I roll. Getting respected, never neglected as I infected. They detected when I dissected, rip it and wreck it. Now that's on the record. As the vinyl spins so slowly, bringing verses like the holy Bible. My flow is tribal. Meet me in the street, homie, I'm liable to get it right then and there. Motherfuckers like where he come from, got music infinity, murder evil entities, better known as your enemies. You feel it now. Spark the L and you be cool until I'm relaxing. To this audio satisfaction, I leave MCs missing in action.
Might try like a small size. We'll see. Got really close to hitting that level that I wanted. See if we can hold above this opening range. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a small entry right here. And then I'll be willing to add if we come down into the ADMA. So like a fifth of my position on these MNQ longs right here. Fifth of my position. If it just falls apart, then obviously I'm only a fifth. So it'd be super small. See if we can get this push. No, we're above the high on MNQ, but not NQ. Interesting. Still like this though. This is one of the intraday trend entries that I would look for. So again, only fifth of a size. I'll be willing to add way more if we actually come down to the ADMA. If it just falls apart, then it's a super small loss. So. Let's see where we could go from here. I'll put a sell limit for a trim at 40 because that would be our 1-to-1 risk to reward. We did get above that level though, so this is where my order is. 40. We had the squeeze, the pullback to the moving average. We're up 7 points here. We're getting close. If you wanted to trim for 7 points, you could. Would like to see 40 for this trim. Probably just keep my stop at break even. Got like a slight later entry than I would have preferred. But we are still up about 5 points. Would really like to see 40 and get this first trim. Come on, give me 40. Give me 40, buddy. like I said, I got like a slight later entry. So I do want to keep this stop around break even. Maybe look for something a little better. It would have been like a way better entry if I got in, you know, a few points quicker, but yeah. And we would have trimmed, definitely going into that like 38. So we have the actual Asia market opening here in 15 minutes. Just keep struggling every time we pop up into like this 35, 36 level. Come on. Give me 40. Why is it going up? Just an uptrend entry. We had that squeeze. We pull back to the ADMA. We reclaim that opening range. So I have no reason to believe that price is going to reject. The question is, does it give us that first trim? But like I said, we entered just a few points a little late, which is why I did want to do a smaller position to start. And yeah, we'll see. See if we can get this 40. It moved about, like, depending on your entry, 7 to 8 points. So maybe you trimmed, maybe you didn't. But yeah, I would really like to see 40 if we can get that.
This message is brought to you by Apple Card. It's a great time to apply for an Apple Card. You'll love earning unlimited daily cash on every purchase. That includes 3% daily cash when you buy the latest iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch at Apple. Through this
Still only a fifth of the position, so obviously, like, if it doesn't work out, then I'll get out.
To qualify, you must apply at apple.co/getdailycash. Apple Card issued by Goldman Sachs Bank USA, Salt Lake City branch. Offer may not be available elsewhere. Terms and limitations apply.
This area that I want us to hold. Come on, give me 40. I'd say if we just lose this opening range, then I'll probably get out. We are sitting at break even, like literally right at break even if you guys want to get out. And like I said, we were up 7-8 points depending on your entry, so I'll risk about like 3-4 points on a fifth of my position. So yeah, we'll see. If we would have gotten a slightly better entry, I would have definitely trimmed on that move up. But like I said, just entered a little late. We are holding this opening range nicely, though. Gold's moving up. Come on. Push it up. We're back into green. Give us 40. Don't you ever say that in my live stream again. Inverse fair value gap and SMT divergence is probably the gayest thing I ever heard all day. 100%. Give me 40. Again, if you guys could, everybody in the TikTok, everybody in the YouTube, take 2 seconds, hit that like button to be greatly appreciated. And if you're new, hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button. It'd be greatly appreciated. If you're new on TikTok, I live trade every single day. I call out my trades start to finish. YouTube as well, I do the same thing, except you get a full screen. So if you want to check out the tube, head on over to Brandon Trades. 1,500 videos, 125,000 subscribers every single day for New York, periodically throughout the week for Asia. All you guys got to do, follow, subscribe, join. That's it. Back to break even. We were back up a few points, but again, we're still holding this opening range. We're only risking about 4 points on this trade, so very minimal. Still only a fifth of the position. You still in long sheen? Fire. That took some too. At 30.5, 30.7. Yeah, a little later, but I'm only risking 4 points. It's because we had that squeeze setup that I look for, and we pull back, hit the ADMA, and reclaim that opening range. I aim for 40 first, so like 10 points when I'm risking 4. We're doing good at holding that opening range high, so as long as we can hold that in this moving average, should get that push up. Ooh. Again, if you guys don't like this, we're at break even. Just staying patient. You have the Asia market opening here in 10 minutes too. There we go. Come on. Bro, every time. Come on. Push up. Give it to me. You can do it. Come on. Push, push, push. Come on now. Gold's pushing pretty hard. Gold and silver, actually. Damn, guys, I'm up like 2.5 points. Should I take profit? Give me 40. I don't know if I want to hold this going into open. Asia open. It is like really holding this opening range, which is what I like. Just every time we pop up, it's coming right back down. Asia open in 5 minutes.
Anything that y'all do, I want up. Y'all grind till like 3 in the morning, I grind to the sun up. Homie, that's dedication. This what is what I'm facing. I only hope in the end that they all love and embrace. I'm trying to right my wrongs, but it's funny to say wrongs. Tell me write the song, man. Mama, I'm sorry that I left at 17 to 17. Everything ain't what it seems when you try to follow your dreams. First you saw the bigger picture, now you see behind the scenes.
Go to 40, come on. You can do it. You gotta pump it up. We're up 6 points. If you guys want to take profits before Asia open, feel free. I want 40. We're at high day. Come on. Come on. New high day. Give me 40. Give me 40. Give me 40. You're right there. Give me 40. Come on. Give me 40. There's no way you fall half a point. Half a point short. Come on. Unbelievable. Half a point short. Come on. Come on. 40. 40. 40. 40. There we go. All right. Trim filled. There we go. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. All right, let's put our stop. A couple points of profit, a few points of profit. If you want to trim more, feel free. Let's see if we can get a little more continuation before Asia. You guys make money on that? You know, this song makes you want to hit a crane shot. Fire. Oh my God, Gene, I'm so good, bro. Nah, it met my setup. When it met my setup, I got in. You think you're better than me, dude? Alrighty, give me 50. Nice. Like 17-point trade so far. Unfortunately, did not get the full size that I wanted, but you know, it is what it is. There we go. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and book it up here towards 50, everybody. I'll take it. 250. 250 on the evening. For an hour. I'll take it. We are risking 4 points to make 20. Is that 20? Yep, 20 points. Risk 4 points to make 20, which is 5 trade. Now, obviously, if you had more size, you trim up towards this 50, you can keep your stop loss at break even. I did not have that big of a size. So, unfortunately, I can't scale out like I wanted to. But 20 points for Asia, you know, I'll take it. How many of you made money on that trade? Give me a W in the chat if you made money. I better see some W's in chat. You guys make money on that? Yes or no? Yes or no? Let me see some W's. Make sure you guys hit that follow button as well. YouTube, you guys make some money on that? Like I said, this is what we do every single day. I call this shit from start to finish. Again, I wasn't super big, but 250 on the day or on the evening, I'll take it. Yeah, you gotta follow because my name's Brandon too. What's the next move? We'll wait and see. See if the market offers us something else. If it does, we take it. If not, oh well. There's got to be more of you guys that took that on YouTube. Come on now. We got 160 of you here on YouTube. I can't even fucking talk. I'm stupid. I better be seeing way more W's in this chat on YouTube. Got 20 points on ES earlier, 20 points on NQ in the evening. W, $70 on Alpha Futures. New hero sub for that. Good shit. Let's go. Yep. Every single morning, New York. That's when I'm like super dedicated and always live. Asia is just kind of like, you know, if I have nothing to do, then I'll hop on for Asia. Good shit. As long as some of you guys made money, I'm happy. Whoever mentioned the trick shotting, this is the song. This makes me want to play some Black Ops 2. How much you guys make on that? Type it up in the chat. How much you guys make? Damn, Gene. Ballin', bro. I made 250. I'm rich. Rich as fuck. Towards 30. I entered way later. But that's when it met my criteria to get long. Yes, sir. I was risking 4 points, made 20. 4 to 5 points. What's up? Are you still in or did you get out? Fire. Yes, sir. Use code Brandon. You're getting Apex accounts. 90% off. 90% off ends in like 4 or 5 hours. or if you use Lucid, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, use code Brandon as well. But again, Apex is currently 90% off. Again, make sure you guys hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Got 80 of you here on TikTok. I guarantee not all of you are following. Everybody on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. I'm sure a decent amount of you on YouTube are actually subscribed, but if you're not, click it. Make sure you guys join every single morning for New York. Good stuff. Rogue introvert. Good stuff.
Will I make it? I don't know. From the bottom of my heart, I swear to God, I gotta blow. Just for every time the world told me no. If I don't make it in this game, I ain't got nowhere else to go. From the drama to the hoes, from the records to the shows, I gotta make it. And if they
Brando, that's my name. Everybody watching on TikTok as well, if you guys want a full screen view of what I'm watching, head on over to my Tube channel. The Tube, Brandon Trades. 1,500 videos, 125,000 subscribers. Make sure you guys come tap in. Again, the Tube, Brandon Trades. My anything, we just call it 20 points on NQ. Every morning. Yes, sir. What's up? Again, if you guys have questions, feel free to ask while we're chilling. Already caught one trade. We're green. Made 250 on the evening. If we take another trade, we'll risk like half of that. So, you know, guaranteed 125 on the evening. What's the game plan? Wait for another good setup. But whole reason I took it, MNQ chart looked a little different, but we had that pop up. We were holding the moving averages, as we can see here. We have the squeeze, as we can see here. This is like typically when I trade Asia, it's the exact setup that we just took. We tend to squeeze a lot in Asia. If you know how to use a squeeze with moving averages, it's, you know, pretty straightforward. So come back. We entered a little late. I wanted an entry closer to that 8 EMA, and you know it is what it is. But yeah, we started to hold this opening range, and then the 8 EMA came up, so we would stop out below the 8 EMA for a small loss. Never broke below, and then we called that move up. It might continue to go higher, I don't know. But even if we put our stop at break even, it would have hit it. Why not do a prop? Do a prop account. That way you're, you know, limiting your downside potential. Got one sip of water left. Asia's been good. That's why I've been doing Asia. $20 on NQ. $20 on NQ. Not really seeing another setup right now, but obviously going to give this like another 30, 40 minutes. We still are holding that opening range high. So, I mean, maybe we can bounce back up and continue higher, but not a whole lot other that I'm watching right now. Just wait for the market to present something. And again, if you guys haven't, hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Hit that follow button. And then tell me what I should make for dinner because I'm hungry. All right, we need more music. Let's see.
I wonder what it feel like.
Can I show you an insanely good risk?
Why are you giving me an ad for another trader? I don't want to hear this.
Right here, which is my free community with over.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Think or swim. Again, if you want to learn from me, go on over to the tube. Again, I don't know if I can say the U before, but you should know what the tube is. Type in Brandon Trades. I have 1,500 videos over there teaching you on how to trade. And then 125,000 subscribers as well. So again, go on the tube, type in Brandon Trades, where I'm also live, but then also teach for free. Tons of free educational videos. These are 5-minute candles. Where'd you go long again, Gene? Where is Mr. Gene? He's focused. He's muted. 35. Gene, come back. How often do I go live? Every single day for market open. Every single day for market open. For New York, periodically throughout the week for Asia. Typically like Tuesday or Thursday for Asia. There you are, buddy. I missed you. Damn. When's CPI? Is it this week? Because I'm going to be passing some Apex accounts. 7:30 tomorrow? What is today? Tuesday? We got PPI on Friday, but PPI doesn't really do shit. So. Vibing, bruh. Caught the 20 points. I'm chilling. Yeah. Yes, sir. You guys got questions while we're chilling? Anybody questions?
So we're gonna do this one for like the Rat Pack and shit. Is it recording? Alright, for the real hip hop motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, yeah, shout out to Bobby.
No, there ain't no CPI.
It's a nice night in LA. We recording this mixtape and shit, working on an album at the same time, you know what I'm saying? Visionary boy. Yeah, we gon' do it for 9-6. Yeah, we gon' do it for hip hop. Yeah, second renaissance type.
Next possible trade, nothing right now. That was the what we had was the setup. Do I trade anything besides NQ and ES? I mean, really wherever the money is, but typically ES and NQ at least gives me one setup every day or every session. So those are kind of like my go-tos. But obviously, like if gold were to offer something, then I would trade gold. But gold is not done shit this entire session. So yeah, just depends. Or like if there's an individual stock that's setting up really good. Like today I wanted to watch AMD for possible calls, but just fell apart. Didn't really see anything, so just depends. No, I don't use volume profile. Any advice for somebody that works 6 to 2:30 and is trying to trade? The evenings, Asia session. Learn as much as you can in the evenings. Or are you talking 6 at night to 2:30 a.m.? So that's going to be a very different answer. Oh shit. All right, 6 a.m. to 2:30. Yeah. I don't know why I should have said shit, but yeah, 6 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Asia session, and the evening. Be your best friend. Also, if you guys want to join my free Discord, I haven't talked about it too much, but if you want to join the free Discord, I have a completely free one. Hit me up on Instagram, Brandon Trades, and yeah, I'll get you in. Again, Brandon Trades on Instagram. Just DM me saying Discord. TJR says the Asian session suck now. How true is that? We just called 20 points. So do with that information as you will. Gene's making money every single day on Asia, pretty much. I mean, New York is definitely better, but Asia's, you know, we just called 20 points. 20 points, 20 fucking points. Again, if you guys are looking to get funded, Apex, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, make sure to use discount code Brandon, all caps. Get you the best possible discounts always. Recommend copy trading multiple Apex account if you're alive. Yeah, I like copy trading. Yep. Fun fact too, most people that get payouts are not trading ES or NQ. They're actually trading MES or MNQ. Well, I mainly trade ES, well, S&P or NASDAQ. For who's asking this, Leah. S&P, NASDAQ. I'll trade the micros, so MES or MNQ. But then equally, if you listen to me when I take those trades, you can take it on SPY or QQQ. So they all move in sync. Whenever I say ES or NQ, just know that I'm like, if I'm saying I'm taking ES trade or an NQ trade, just know that I'm talking like I'm taking MES or I'm taking MNQ. Yep, my friend used to own a prop firm, and most of the people that they paid out a very high percentage, they traded the micros instead of minis. Fun fact. Fun fact. Again, if you guys have not, I'm going to keep reminding you, hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Everybody in here, I can guarantee not all of you are following. So find that follow button wherever the hell it is and click it. Everybody on YouTube, hit that subscribe button as well. Because we live trade every single day. New York, periodically Asia, and then periodically Power Hour, but every day, New York. I always go with the 50Ks. I don't do 100Ks, 150Ks, always 50Ks. Nothing above, nothing below. The GTR, just that it looks sexy. That's been my dream car forever, and I bought it. I don't have any desire for a Lambo. Maybe a Porsche one day, but GTR has been the dream car. So, yeah. The white dotted line is the 21 EMA. The orange is VWAP. I need 1400 to pass my second eval. Been hitting base hits on my front end on top step. It's what it is. I mean, most of the time it is base hits. Base hits add up. Not every day are you going to hit a home run. All right, need to change up the music. Part of my journaling taught me I usually lose when trading gold, LOL, so I've been avoiding it. Smart. I mean, yeah, journaling is going to teach you a lot as well. Regardless of whatever you're struggling with, when you keep writing it down and you keep seeing it repeated over and over and over, you're going to be able to come to a conclusion. You're going to say, hey, this is what's fucking me up in my trading. So, ghetto music, then leave. I don't care. It's what I listen to. Do you trade order flow? Yep. You can see it at, what would it be? The bottom right here on YouTube, this book map. We had the squeeze, which I don't know if you can see the squeeze on TikTok. No, you can't. But we had a squeeze. We pulled back into the moving averages. Price popped back up. Reclaimed that that opening range, so that's why we went long. And then as we continue to hold, our stop was then below this ADMA here. And then we caught that move up for 20 points. Again, this is my live stream. I'm the one calling trades for you. You can leave if you don't like it. It does not matter to me if you're here. I got you. It might actually continue. I don't know if Gina's still in or not. Adios. Imagine being a grown man coming in and telling another grown man what to do on his live stream. Like, dog, what? Unbelievable. Let's see what else we got.
I think my frontal lobe developed when I realized I could eat whatever I want a day.
Gonna give me ads now? Come on.
So this is
What other questions you guys got here on YouTube? Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the Zoom. I'm gonna stay live on TikTok and YouTube if you guys want to tap in, but yeah, we'll do the next Zoom, I think Thursday for Asia. Obviously, I'll let you guys know if I change it, and then Zoom for New York on Friday. But like I said, I'm gonna stay live for or on TikTok and YouTube. So if you guys want to tap in, all right, ended the Zoom. I still think price could go higher, to be honest. Just not my ideal entry right now. So personally, just gonna wait. I mean, really, my whole strategy results from key levels and then watching price action and volume. That's really it. What is my computer setup? I wouldn't even ask me that because I couldn't even answer it. All I know is I bought a computer, a really good computer for like 4,000, 3,000, somewhere around there. And then monitors. That's all I know. I can tell you my keyboard and my mic and my cameras, but that's about it. And again, if you guys haven't, hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. I would never use that platform, no. I use my eyeballs. Eyeballs and order flow. Hit that follow, hit that subscribe. Everybody on TikTok, if you guys want a full screen view of the live stream, head on over to my YouTube channel. Oh shit, I said it. Head on over to the Tube channel, Brandon Trades. And yeah, subscribe over there. And again, if you guys are looking to get funded, Apex 90% off ends here in a few hours. So if you want to, use code Brandon. 50K accounts are only 20 bucks. If you don't like Apex, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, as well as Lucid, you can use code Brandon over there as well. It'll get you the best possible discount. So, is that Jay Dunn? What up, buddy? You rocking your Kill Tech? Fire.
J Fun.
Mr. J Don. No, I already caught 20 points. I haven't taken another trade since. Just 20 points earlier. Called this move up right here. But nothing else. Nothing else. Let's see. President Carter's fire song too.
God bless America.
Carter, are you prepared to take the constitutional oath? I am. Would you place your left hand on the Bible?
This is probably my favorite Lil Wayne song, low-key. That or John with Rick Ross. Keep reminding you guys, better hit that follow button. Better hit that follow button or I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna click that follow button for you. Follow, join, trade with me. That's all I ask. 2 winning trades today. 1 for New York, 1 for Asia. 20 points for ES in the morning, 20 points for NQ later in the day. Fire. Yep, you can make a lot of money or you can lose a lot of money, but if you have proper edge and you use basic risk management, you're gonna make money over the long term.
Nobody gives you a chance. You gotta take chances. Your family tree, I will break branches. Cause I don't give a fuck. I put the ass in assassin. Smoke you like a blunt, then it's ashes to ashes. The future is born. Put the past in the casket. If real shit is dead, then nigga, I'm a bastard. Appetite for disaster. I want a full plate, then another plate after.
All right.
Yesterday just died. Tomorrow never cried. The days of our lives. When shit get deep, I'm never afraid to dive.
No, we already took that one trade, so now I'm just chilling.
Read alive, ask who the fuck want it. I bring it to your doorbell. Have niggas in your yard like a yard sale. Smoking weed, getting hid in the Oval Office. I changed the stars on the flag into crosses. Amen.
It stands for 3 words. I can't trade.
Bro, you were just talking to me today about inverse fair value gaps. You called me as soon as you got off. You're like, bro, I hit this inverse fair value gap for 20 points.
Something like that.
Yeah.
You did to me, brown grass nigga. I just stand still and let the crown pass, nigga. Bullshit for lunch, brown bag, nigga. Reality's a bitch.
Chicken on me.
Dance with her, 140 pounds, 5'6" from the ground. Bitch, I'm in
Bitch,
the
they got it down to sleep on me.
lounge. I tried to fuck the world and couldn't even get aroused. I ain't
Any other questions you guys got?
it in the wild.
I think I might get ready to wrap it up, actually.
One world peace, murder show. I get your ass
I need to get, like, my Xbox set up in here. That would be, like... Then I really stay live for a long time, but I ain't got my Xbox in here.
gorillas in suits. The holy war, the spiritual truth.
Yeah, make sure you guys follow. I'll be live tomorrow morning for New York.
Drowning in the
Make sure to follow.
they shoot missiles and nukes, taking out such a pivotal group. The body count is the physical proof, and they thought drugs were killing the youth.
Then check out the Tube channel, Brandon Trades. You know what the Tube is. 1,500 videos, 125,000 subs. If you want a full screen live stream, it's over on the tube. All right, Simon's good. Guessing everybody's good. All right. Couple things. Like I said, Apex, 90% off. It ends tonight in a few hours. So make sure you guys use code Brandon if you're going to get accounts on Apex. If you don't like Apex and you prefer Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, or Lucid, you can also use code Brandon over there. It'll always get you the best possible discount. And then finally, if you guys are not following my Instagram, go follow my Instagram, Brandon Trades. I post tons of content over there as well. If you ever have direct questions, always send me a DM on Instagram. I answer every single DM that I get. Okay? So again, go follow my Instagram, Brandon Trades. If you ever have questions, shoot me a DM over there. Everybody have an amazing evening. Again, 1 winning trade for Asia, 1 winning trade for New York. So 2 winning trades today, and let's run it up again tomorrow. Everybody have an amazing evening, and I'll talk to you guys then. Peace.